In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Base44 to build AI apps. We're going to walk through the basic flow from the moment you land in Base44, so by the end you'll know exactly how to go from an idea in your head to a working AI app on your screen. When you first open Base44, you'll usually be taken to a starting dashboard or home screen. Here's where you begin by describing your app. Think of this as telling Base44, in plain language, what you want your AI to do. For example, you might say something like, I want an AI that helps summarize customer feedback, or I want a chatbot that can answer questions about my product. The clearer and more specific you are here, the better suggestions and structure Base44 can give you. If you're not totally sure what you want to build yet, or you're just looking for inspiration, you don't have to start from scratch. Instead of typing your own idea, you can choose from a list of ideas provided right on the screen. These are common use cases and starter concepts like assistants, content generators, or simple data tools. Clicking on one of these ideas will pre-fill a lot of the setup for you, which can save you time and help you understand what's possible before you customize anything. Another great way to get started is by exploring templates from the community. Look for a section or button that says something like, Explore templates from the community. When you click that, you'll see apps that other people have already created and shared. This is especially useful if you're new to AI app building because you can look at real working examples. You can open a template, see how it's structured, and then duplicate it into your own workspace to tweak the prompts, the logic, or the interface so it fits your specific needs. Once you've either described your own app, selected an idea, or chosen a community template, the next step is simple. Follow the on-screen prompts. Base44 is designed to guide you through the process step by step. You might be asked to confirm what type of app you're building, connect to a model, define the main tasks your AI should handle, or customize the inputs and outputs. Take your time with these prompts. Read each description carefully, and adjust the options to match the way you expect your users to interact with the app. As you move through these screens, Base44 will gradually assemble the core of your AI app. By the time you reach the end of the guided flow, you will have a functional starting point that you can test, refine, and build on further.